Ja, party dae lê ek in die bed vir 2-3 dae wat ek net soos like I can't do live today. En dan ander dae is ek soos okay, well I need to do live today, so ek trek myself uit die bed uit en I show up en ek sit 'n smaal op en ek dink nie enigiemand wat my ontmoet sal dink ons enigiets fout met my nie.
Feel the heat. No holding back, no playing it safe. We're taking up space, we're setting the pace. Louder than ever. Here we come. Unfiltered.
For those who watched our episode with Albert and Nastasha, by now you would know that Cindy is our latest guest on Unfiltered. Now, Cindy, welcome. Welcome to this honest, authentic, unfiltered conversation.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. I
So-
really appreciate it.
Awesome, Cindy. So, South Africa got to learn who you are through daai program op my ys.
Ja.
Nee?
Ja.
Okay. En dis waar jy ook Suid-Afrika leer ken het.
Ja, waar ek Suid-Afrika leer ken het.
Yes.
Facebook tannies.
Ja, ook die Facebook
Ook
tannies.
die Facebook tannies.
Ek weet hierdie statement gaan kommentaar ontlok. So ek weet ons het Droan en JP so rukkie terug hier gehad en hulle het gesê daar's daai Facebook tannies en hulle almal het 'n spesifieke profiel en hulle profiel foto op Facebook lyk 'n spesifieke manier.
Ja.
En yesterday, ek weet nie hoeveel duisende comments daar was waar hulle uitgehaal was oor dit. Dat mense wat offended is, ja, hoe kan hulle dit sê? Hulle is wat kan lees die comments. As jy wil, go and read the comments.
Kan read the comments,
Ja,
ja.
kry jy ook baie interessante kommentaar?
Ja, nou nie meer so baie nie, maar toe die show begin rol het.
Is it okay?
It was bad.
Okay. And was it was negative, right? It was bashing you and calling you names and all of that, right?
Yes, so it was a mix. So before op my age, ek het klaar 'n groot TikTok following gehad. So when I got bashed on Facebook, I had my TikTok following backing me on Facebook.
Okay, awesome.
So ja, daai was daarom in my guns.
So the algorithm was in your favor as well then because you had your supporters who defended you.
Yes.
And that sort of protected you. That makes for interesting viewership, right?
Yeah, so they protected me because they knew me from TikTok all the years and they knew what people were saying about me was obviously not true because so yeah, I got a lot of support from my TikTok following.
So you also became very well known on the show for being direct.
Yes.
Jy call a spade, jy dra nie doekies om nie, jy praat reguit en jy sê 'n ding op sy naam.
Ja, en ek weet nie, vir my is dit 'n ding, hoekom het die mense so teen my gedraai, net omdat ek reguit en eerlik is en 'n ding sê soos wat hy is. So daar die math is not mathing for me. Wil hulle hê ek moet 'n koek wees en sit en mooi praatjies praat en jy weet, like what do you want?
Op daai topic nou, voor jy Cindy op my ys was, jy hardloop 'n besigheid, jy het 'n modelskool,
Ja.
jy verkoop parfuum,
Ja.
jy het 'n modelskool. Ek sien jy het toe neers in kriminologie.
Ja.
Wow, okay, so jy verkoop parfuum, jy het 'n modelskool, jy het toe neers in kriminologie en jy was op my ys. So vertel my gou-gou hoe werk dit?
Ja, dis nogal 'n dinamika.
Ja.
Ja, so op skool het ek altyd geweet wat ek wil swat. Ek wil kriminologie swat, altyd het geweet. So ek het my BA kriminologie gedoen, spesialisering in regte en toe honeurs gaan doen kriminologie. En ja, nooit dit pursue in daai rigting want ons is moeilik om in te kom, maar ook ek het teen die tyd dat ek klaar geswat het ek klaar werk gehad. En as jy moet inkom by 'n plek as 'n kriminoloog of iets, gaan jy as 'n junior moet inkom. En dan sê ek soos dit gaan letterlik net my kar dek. So ja.
Jy ry seker 'n baie fancy kar.
Nee, dis daarom nie, maar jy weet, bedoel net so salaris gewys. En ja, en dan die modelskool kom al van klein tyd af. Soos ek dink ek kon nog nie eens loop nie, toe sit my ma my al op 'n stage. Ek dink sy het my gedra die eerste keer
Okay.
op die arm.
Okay. En die modelskool is inspirasie vir ander om die geleentheid in die platform te hê. Wat jy jou pad opgewerk het ook as 'n jong dogtertjie tot waar jy vandag
Ja.
is dit nie?
Ja, so ons help baie mense uit Tembisa se kant uit en so aan en like we build them up we give them confidence and we give them a platform, jy weet, om verder te gaan. En baie van ons meisies het al, jy weet, oorsee gekompeteer en al daai goed so. En jy weet, hulle dalk in hulle omgewing nie daai iemand om na op te kyk en hulle te help en te guide, jy weet, in al is dit nie net 'n model nie. Goed soos, jy weet, ons het modelle wat ons train wat instap, dan is hulle 16 jaar oud, dan het hulle nog nooit geweet om 'n skeermes te gebruik nie, byvoorbeeld. Jy weet, dan is ons soos, nee, dit is hoe jy moet, as 'n meisie, jy moet 'n skeermes gebruik. Dis hoe jy moet eet, dis hoe jy jouself moet gedra in publiek. Sulke goed, soos basic table manners, weet hulle nie daarvan nie. Ek bedoel, ons het modelle wat by ons aankom, dan hou ons 'n funksie, dan gooi hulle kos in hulle handsakke. Jy weet, goed soos dit, en ons, en ja, ek kyk ook aan lag ek dan, maar dan leer ons hulle soos basic principles, soos, nee, that's not how you conduct yourself. So, ja, dit is meer afronding ook, en dan natuurlik model, en hoe om te praat, hoe om onderhoude te voer, en ja, al gekkies.
So ek weet dit wat jy nou sê, I know a lot of our viewers will actually now say, Masindi, you teach these kids these things, and op my age, it seemed like you were the opposite of that.
Ja, maar that's where the argument comes in. Omdat ek is Cindy, my eie mens, but that doesn't take away van wat ek mense kan leer.
No, 100%.
Ja, so jy kry Cindy en jy kry model Cindy.
Ja.
Soos, just because I speak my mind en ek is eerlik en 'n bietjie bar en bietjie kom en voor, is ek ongelooflik goed in wat ek doen. Verstaan, soos, ja, dit contradict itself, maar dis my besigheid en dit is Cindy.
Yes, 100%. So,
Yeah.
And I know they're going to say you need to practice what you preach, right? So, and obviously there is a great divide. The one is a persona, and the other one is Cindy helping others,
Yes, but
isn't it?
maar ek is nie 'n persoon nie, ek is nog steeds myself. Maar ek is goed in wat ek doen.
100.
Ja.
Yes. So, and that's undeniable. Obviously, your heart just is a testament of you want to help others.
Ja, en ek dink baie mense sien hierdie Cindy en soos wat ek sê wat dalk bietjie kom en baie voorkom en al daai goed. Maar eintlik het ek 'n baie klein hart and I am there to help. En ek doen dit al nog voor op my eis.
Yes.
Jare voor op my eis en vir die show. So
So,
Ja.
hoekom op my eis toe nou?
dit was soos 'n heat of the moment thing. Soos ek het nie regtig gedink daaroor nie. Ja, net ingeskryf.
Okay, en kyk toe nou, né?
Ja.
So there were quite a few profound moments op my age.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you guys were on a boat the one day, ne? I don't know if you can recall that scene.
Ja, nee, ek onthou daai stukkie waar.
Yeah, and I think that's what really sparked your social media presence from a different point of view as well, right?
Yeah.
That one comment like went viral, didn't it?
Ja. Ja,
Okay.
ja.
So what is next for Cindy? How are you going to elevate your brand further? How are you going to elevate Cindy further?
So dit is nou waarop ek is what's next. And ek skryf nou baie in my kop oor like what's next for me. Want ek weet self nie.
Okay.
Like I know I need to use my voice. That I can feel.
Okay.
Like I know I've got a voice, I've got a story and I need to use it. It's just how am I going to use it? That's the thing. Wat ek misstry nou
Okay.
in my kop.
Okay.
I would love to go into maybe like social media marketing, maybe like MC work, motivational speaking, because you're buiten van like wat jy gesien het op my eis. Like I do have a story and a testimony to tell. Yeah.
And what is that testimony?
So wat baie mense nie weet nie is dat ek mos gediagnoseer is met Addison's disease voor so like I competed in bodybuilding en al daai goed en hoe ek siek geraak het en ja, hoe die dokters my vir 2 jaar nie kon diagnoseer nie, wat ek in hospitaalbeddens gelê het en ja,
Okay, sure.
gewag
Hectic.
het om dood te gaan.
Hectic. Sure. And that time of your life, wat het jou deurgetrek? Wat was jou motivation en jou inspirasie om deur te kom?
Kan nie vir jou sê nie, ek het baie gebid natuurlik. En soos dag vir dag. Maar dit het so erg geraak dat ek actually selfmoord wou pleeg. Want hoe word jy wakker elke liewe dag vir 8-9 maande en nie een dokter kan vir jou sê wat fout is met jou nie. Dat dit so erg geraak het dat ek in die manhuis beland het en hulle my op antidepressante moes sit en ja,
Het is 'n baie donker tyd van jou lewe.
dit was baie donker.
Okay.
En ek is eers laas jaar Februarie gediagnoseer.
Oh, sure, okay. Alright. So, wil jy dan basies sê op my eis was soos dis die nuwe Cindy, dis die reinvented Cindy, Cindy wat hierdie oorwin het, Cindy wat sê life, you're gonna embrace life to its fullest.
Ek was nog altyd 'n embrace life to the fullest. Ek was altyd daai persoon, maar ek het Cindy verloor toe ek siek geraak het. Soos ek ken Cindy voordat ek siek geraak het en hierdie Cindy and Cindy's not back.
Okay.
And I'm not sure if she'll ever be back.
Okay.
Like ek voel daar's goed wat ek nie kan doen nie en mee sukkel en jy weet ek was altyd sterk en nou is dit soos my lewe hang van 'n pil af elke dag.
Sure.
Jy weet so if I'll get it back, ek weet nie, maar ek probeer. Like ek probeer voluit lewe en alles doen en uitgaan en mense ontmoet. En partykeer is dit moeilik want ek wil nie, maar ek doen en ons kap maar net om aan. Kap het flou.
Yes, so maar dink jy dat elke tree wat jy gee is 'n tree vorentoe en elke dag wat jy moet face en hierdie challenges moet face because it is a challenge. Om op te staan en te sê weet jy ek gaan vandag embrace. Ek gaan my bes te gee vandag. Dit is moeilik om daai besluit elke dag oor te maak, is dit nie?
Ja, party dae lê ek in die bed vir 2-3 dae wat ek net soos like I can't do life today. En dan ander dae is ek soos okay, well I need to do life today. So ek trek myself uit die bed uit en I show up en ek sit 'n smaal op en ek dink nie enigiemand wat my ontmoet sal dink ons enigiets fout met my nie.
Well, I would have never said that.
Ja.
So and this is Cindy being vulnerable.
Ja.
So
Dit is iets wat ek nie deel nie.
wel
Glad nie.
tot nou toe.
Ja.
Tot nou toe. En dankie dat jy dit doen. Dankie.
Ja.
Dankie dat jy you showed up, number one. Number two, you're telling the story that's very vulnerable and very personal to you as well. And however, even despite that, you went through op my age. You're building a business. You get up and say, but this is not going to get the best of you.
Ja.
And that's commendable. And I think to our viewers that's inspiration in itself, because there's how many millions of people in South Africa and the world suffering from depression, suffering from a low self-worth, if I can
Yes.
put it that way. But still, you're able to build business. You're able to provide a service. You're able to help little girls become a much better version of themselves because of what you can impart to them, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And ja, en dis 'n groot ding. I think a lot of people like I never knew what depression was until it hit me. En as jy nog nie daardeur was nie, jy sal dit nie verstaan nie. Waar jy in die bed lê en the only thought you have is to end it. Daar's nie 'n ding van ag, dis in jou kop. Ag, staan net op. Gaan stap net om die blok nie.
Ja,
Dit is nie so maklik nie. En jy weet daar kan ek 'n stem wees vir ander mense en sê ek was daardeur. Ek het nooit geweet wat dit was tot op die ouderdom van 33 wat ek dit self
Dit is 2 jaar terug nou basies.
2-3 jaar terug wat ek dit self ervaar het nie. En jy weet ek het gesit en gedink dis die einde. Maar daar is there is a way out. Daar is treatment daar buite wat mense nie van weet nie. Wat ek 'n eksperimentasie van was wat vir my gewerk het. En ja, soos just like to use your voice and be an inspiration and say ek het dit deurgekom. Kyk wat het ek bereik. Like ek het daar uitgekom en ek dink baie mense voel like hulle kan nie daar uitkom nie. Want dit is hoe ek gevoel het. Maar jy kan. En dis wat ek vroeër gesê het, soos ek voel like I've got a voice and I've got a story to tell and I've got ek soos 'n inspirasie om te gee
Yes.
en 'n testimony om te gee.
Yes.
It's just I need to use my voice more.
Exactly.
Ja.
Well, Cindy, I think this is quite profound. And thank you that on Unfiltered, that you're so honest. I can relate. I can 100% relate. Life happens. Stuff happens. Depression does creep in. We obviously don't want to give it any extra power. You can overcome it.
Yeah.
It is possible. It is hard work. It's a constant battle. But there's ways and means to overcome it, and you're a testament to this, Cindy. So if you can give one word of profound advice to someone out there, they want to start something, they don't know how to start it, or they need to get up, what would that be?
Ja, if you're in a hole, to tell someone to get up, like you can't tell someone
Yeah.
to get up. So for me, it took like willpower. It took willpower, and I had to admit like I've got a problem, and I had to go get help. And I think a lot of people think, I'm not going to sit and talk to someone or that, but talking to someone actually didn't help me. It helped a little bit, but like I said, I went on medication, which hit, like you hit low before you hit high. And then I tried an experimental procedure through my psychiatrist, which it's very big in the USA. And it works with different neurotransmitters in your brain. So if medication is not working for you or therapy is not working for you, there is another way, and it's got like huge success. And I've seen it myself. I've referred friends that I know that struggles with like depression, anxiety, and panic attacks, and they walked out different people. So,
Sure.
yeah,
Okay, so there's always hope.
there is.
There's always hope, and I'm not going to talk about Op My Age further. There's no point. That's sort of irrelevant right now, because that painted a very skewed picture of who Cindy is, I do think.
Yes, that is Cindy.
That is Cindy.
No, it is definitely Cindy. Yeah, that's me. But that's a part of me.
There's so much more to Cindy than just what South
Yeah.
Africa viewed
Yes.
on a dating program.
Yes. You saw, what, maybe a total of 30 minutes of me that was shot in 4 weeks. You know, bits and pieces.
So Cindy, I think we're going to have to get you back so that we can go a little bit deeper in your story and what is your next. So I do think that when we get you back, you would maybe have answered what your next step is.
Yes.
And then, and that's also encouraging to business owners. It's encouraging to everybody who's finding themselves in a dark place where they don't know how to get up, where they don't know how to get out, where it feels like they just want to end their life. And there is always hope. There is always hope. You are of value. And I think that's the biggest lie that you tell yourself, is that you are not of value when you're there, but you are of value.
Yeah.
And the reality is, what difference can you make? And you amplified that today. You're helping these little girls as well. And yes, you help South Africa to have conversation for quite a couple of weeks as well. Interesting conversations.
Yeah.
So Cindy, our time has run out, but I do want to thank you. I do want to thank you for coming on to Unfiltered, sharing your story, being vulnerable with us, and sharing to South Africa, who just maybe a little bit extra of who Cindy is, and I want to hear your full testimony still, and that's why we'll definitely get you back for a follow-up episode on Unfiltered.
Yeah, there's a full story behind, like a really a more deep and full story. Yes.
Fantastic. Cindy, thank you. And thanks for going to the effort to be here with us today. And we want to encourage you, if this really hit home with you, there's always help. Drop a comment. Our team will reach out to you. If you want, drop a comment. We can also get Cindy to reach out to you if you need help, guys. There's always help. There's always a way out. So to our Unfiltered audience, thank you for watching this episode, this very unfiltered episode of Unfiltered AF. Please like, share, and subscribe. Share to your friends. Share to someone who might need to hear what we heard today, even though it is just a nugget of a much bigger story. But I'm going to hold you in suspense for the bigger story. Thank you so much, and until next time, cheers.
Feel the heat. No holding back, no it safe. We're taking up space, we're setting the pace, louder than ever.